Welcome to this truly move-in ready 4-bed, 2-bath split floor plan pool home. This property is loaded with high-quality updates. Where to begin? Enjoy an updated kitchen and bathrooms, a 2019 roof, an energy-smart water heater, a resurfaced pool with new tile work, and fresh interior paint. The care and attention poured into this home are apparent in every detail. Inside, you'll find custom cabinetry throughout, including additional storage in the garage. The primary suite is a private oasis featuring Italian marble flooring, vessel sinks, a beautifully tiled shower, a freestanding tub, and elegant crown molding. The kitchen offers gorgeous granite counters and updated stainless steel appliances. French doors throughout the home open to the pool and Tiki Bar area, filling the space with natural light thanks to its ideal southern exposure. The hall bath also functions as a convenient pool bath. The layout is perfect for entertaining and family gatherings, especially with the large covered space on the pool deck. There's also a nice yard area, great for gardening or giving your dog room to play. Located in Fairfax, you're close to shopping, restaurants, entertainment, schools, and the award-winning powder sand beaches the area is famous for. All of this comes with unbelievably low HOA fees in a quiet, friendly neighborhood. You don't want to miss this one. Furnishings available.